the loop cut tool is a very useful tool for modeling, and it can be accessed when we go to edit mode by pressing tab key. When we go to edit mode by pressing tab key, that is where we can access the loop cut tool. So we can use it by pressing the loop cut tool here, or by pressing Ctrl R, but I recommend using Ctrl R. So we can use the Ctrl R to click to get our loop cut, and we can increase the number of loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R and then increase it with the scroll wheel on your mouse to increase the loop cut too. So, and however, we can also slide this loop cut too by pressing Ctrl R before clicking. When we click like this, we can move our mouse to slide this loop cut. So Ctrl R, click, slide it, and then left click on your mouse to stop the slide. So as a practical example of this, let's see how useful the loop cut is by modeling a chair. So you select S, Z, decrease this or flatten it, and then Ctrl R to use the loop cut to click, slide it to this side. Ctrl R again, Ctrl R again, click, slide it to this side. Ctrl R, click, slide it to this side. Ctrl R, click, slide it to this side. So we can go to face and then click on this. Go to, or you can simply press Ctrl E, extrude individual faces. There we have our chair. So this is very useful. The loop cut is very useful tool for modeling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe.